All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the SXT model, this beautiful gray with black leather interior, or actually it's got that two-tone, so it's that leather with the suede interior. Premium sound system, steering controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, fog lights, 37,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage on around the body. Front bumper looks good, does have a little chippy right there, boom. Your hood looks good, your fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Let's check out your tire thread, which I would say it's at 730 seconds. This door looks good, this rear door looks good, and this quarter looks pretty darn good. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing here. And let's check out your tire thread, which is over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump in here. Does come with two key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your backup camera. Boom, you got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side, as well as this side. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. As you can see, it does have tire pressure light on. And this is what your instrument and your mileage of 37,312. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Two keys, two key fobs, fog light. Let's turn the lights. Boom, fog lights are on. Got buttons back here. Open stings. All right. Here's, of course, your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Obviously, it has an armrest. Likewise, in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips down there. Does have rear AC controls and vents running along the top. Got a little power button, closes that door. Rear bumper looks good. Rear trunk space looks good. These seats do fold forward, and in there does have a little button, closes this gate, which looks fantabulous. This quarter here looks pretty good. Does have a heavy scratch. 3, 6 inches and 4 inches on top. So it has one here with 6 and one here with 4. The rest of it looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger side rim. Very nice, no curbing. Tire thread is at 630 seconds. This door does have a dent here. No paint off. 3, 6, about 8 inches right there. All right, the rest of it looks pretty good. Oh, there's another dent down here I just saw. About 3 to 4 inches right there. My light just died. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, or rips, and likewise in your third row. Got a little power button here, closes that. This door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. And your tire thread under 730 seconds. The lights are on, cars working, things are beautiful, folks. Once again, a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the SXT model with 37,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.